These Rugged Ridge neoprene seat protectors in black are for those of you that have a 2007 to 2018 JK that are looking for a way to protect your seat, not really a full cover, but also have a lot more utility built into your seat as well. These are of course going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench easy install. They simply slide over your seat, and we'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So the reason that these are called a seat protector and not a seat cover are the fact that they don't completely cover the seat. This is going to be the back portion of one of the seat covers, and as you can see in the shoulder area, there's a little bit of space down the side, a little bit of space, and up here where the headrest goes, it's also not completely connected. So if you're looking for a seat cover, go ahead, check out Rugged Ridge and some of the other options that we have. This is going to be a seat protector, so it's going to cover up most of your seat, but like I said, it's also going to add a lot of function. This is the back of one of the seats. You can see here it has a zip-on water bottle holder, a couple of other zipper pockets and elastic pockets, and different spots where you can hold all types of different things, from maps, flashlights, whatever else you might need to hold and organize in your Jeep. So this is going to be a little bit of a different flavor from your more traditional seat cover. If this is what you're looking for, I think it's a very nice option from Rugged Ridge. I think it's fairly priced, it's well built, it's going to get the job done, and it's also going to change up the look of your interior as well. As it says in the name, these are made of a neoprene material, which is not completely waterproof, but it is going to be water resistant. So if there's a quick passing shower, you can brush that water off. If you have a minor spill, again, brush it off. Eventually things will soak in and this will get wet, but it is going to be a little bit resistant to that. Because it is very easy on, very easy off, you can take these, throw them in the washer when they get dirty, dry them, pop them back on, they'll look like brand new again. These seat protectors come in at around $130, which I do think is going to be a pretty good deal for the value that you're getting here. Neoprene seat covers in general are going to be more expensive than some of the other materials because it is water resistant, it holds up really well, and it adds a little bit of padding to the seat. You couple that with the fact that these add a lot of organizational functionality to your Jeep, and I think that the $130 price tag is a fair one. These are going to install very easily. I've said that a couple times now. You have a couple of straps here that allow you to attach them onto the seat nice and tightly. Now I'll have a member of the install team show you how you install these on your seats.
Slip the protector over the back of the seat. Slip the lower nylon strap and clip between the upper and lower portions of the seat. Slip the Velcro straps through the lower strap plastic loops. For the driver's side, adjust the seat up as high as possible using the seat height adjuster lever. Slip the straps between the raised seat and the seat riser. Clip the straps together and adjust. Do not over-tighten. For the passenger side, place the rear straps underneath the seat slider and the seat riser. Adjusting the seat forward or backward may help with locating and pulling the innermost tabs near the console. The front straps should be run under the front of the seat, just behind the seat slider adjustment arm. Adjust the straps, but do not over-tighten. Slide the front and rear lower straps under the seat. This step is the same for both the driver's side and passenger side seat protector. Make sure that the front straps are inserted through the front seat adjuster arm to ensure proper operation of the seat slider. Clip together and adjust. Do not over-tighten. Adjust all protector straps for a snug fit and pull onto the seat in desired position, and make sure the protector opening does not block the seat's ABS deployment area.
So if you're looking for a way to protect your seat, add some function to the inside of your Wrangler, and also change up the look of your Jeep, I definitely recommend these seat protectors from Rugged Ridge, and you can find them right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.